as we are talking about this experiments, especially in this experiment, you will just see the crossing between those both genes, right, on the basis of the linkage and the recombinations. As I have told you, when the distance between these genes, right, you can just see, especially in this diagram, that Y and W, right, it's very less, so the linkage is very high. But in compared to the cross B, where the distance between the both the genes W and M are in the same chromosome are high, so the combination is over generally found over there, right? So as you can just between the cross, you can see over there, right, while there can be crosses, first of all gamete will form, right? And evenly, as I told you, that especially these are the dominant characters, right, because y plus and W plus, but these are the female, or you can say especially they are the recessive character in that particular condition. Okay, so due to this, what will happen, you can just see in their crosses, I mean wild type can be formed because of dominant character, and this is yellow wild because there is a recessive character in that particular conditions. So such a way they can be shows this crosses over there. So we can say that directly this topic can be concluded with the help of these conditions. So if you still not understand, you can ask me later on. And I have told you about the linkage and recombinations. So after that we have to talk about very small topic, that is the mutations, right? First of all, we have to know that what is this mutation. We can say it is a phenomena which can causes the alternation of DNA, right? We can say if there are any changes will occurs in DNA, this is the alternation of the DNA, or we can say the sequence resulting in the changes in the genotype and the phenotype of an organism, it lead to variation in DNA is additional recombination. Means if any changes, if any sequence of the DNA will changes, that can explain as the mutation, or you can say directly the sudden stable inheritable changes in the genetic material of an organism is called mutation. And this, and we can say organism can go undergoes with the help of mutation, that is called mutant, and the agent of the mutation, that is called mutagens. Means we can say स्पेशली जो म्यूटेशन की प्रोसेस है उसमें क्या होता है कि अगर अचानक किसी भी वजह से, राइट, जो स्टेबिलिटी है किसी इनहेरिटेबल जेनेटिक मटेरियल की वो चेंज हो जाए, राइट, तो उसे हम कहते हैं क्या, दैट इज कॉल्ड म्यूटेशन प्रोसेस. एंड the organism in which this mutation will take place, that is called mutant. And the thing due to which this mutation will take place, that is known as mutagens. Especially as we all known in our environment lesson about the UV rays. UV rays is the mutagen, because UV rays can capable to convert, can capable to change into the sequential of the genes, right? So we can say that are known as mutagens, and we know that the unit of mutation is called the muton. You must know about that, the unit of muton, that is called muton. And generally we can say when the mutation take place due to single base pair change in the DNA sequence, that is called point mutation. As you all have not understand, especially there are mutation are especially two types, gene mutation and chromosomal mutations, right? If the changes will take place in chromosome, they are chromosomal mutations. If it will change into the gene sequences, that is called the gene mutations. And gene mutation is generally two types, that is we can say point mutation and frame shift mutations. And chromosomal mutation is again two types, we can say that is the structural variations, chromosomal abbreviations and numerical variations, and on the basis of which we know that aneuploidy and polyploidy and trisomy and monosomy, right? Means if the number of chromosomes can be changes, on the basis of which we have to studies about this aneuploidy, polyploidy, trisomy and monosomy in later on. So while we will talk about another things, right, about this aneuploidy, polyploidy, I will just explain it later on. But first we have to talk about this mutation one, right? So especially if we can talk about this, that the conditions of this mutation, we can say the this can be done with the help of, you can say, loss or gain, right, or the segment of DNA that can be always helpful for the alternation in the chromosome, or as we can say, as the gene are located on the chromosome, alternation in chromosome results the abnormalities. Means due to this, the different conditions can be occur in different ways. If there is some genetic or some are chromosomal alternations, means if this process will happen done with gene, then the gene abnormalities can be found over there. If it can be happen on the chromosome, it can be chromosomal alternation can be found over there. And if we talk about the point mutation, suppose, right, especially in the point mutation, we can say mutation can occur due to the change in single base pair of DNA. When there is only single base pair of DNA will take place, that mutation is called the point mutation, right? Or you can say directly or indirectly, you can say when the mutation will take place in the single base pair of this DNA, right, that is called point mutation. As generally it can be seen in sickle cell anemia, it is a disease, right, sickle cell anemia, in which generally, as we all know, that the structure of RBC will change, it will become sickle shaped, right. So this disease can be generally occur over there. On the other hand, the second type of mutation, that is called the frame shift mutation, in which we can say if the deletion or depletions of the and insertions of the base pairs, means suppose a base pair is deleted or a base pair is inserted of the DNA, right, so that is known as frame shift mutations. And as I already told you about the mutagens or the mutant and about the mutant, on all those things I have already explained you. So I think everybody understand about this one. If you will talk about the aneuploidy and polyploidy, right, generally they can be as I have told you about the chromosomal mutations, right. If we talk about the numerical variations, in which you will know about this aneuploidy and polyploidy. If directly we can say, right, that the failure of segregation of chromatids during the cell division, when the chromatids cannot be segregated, so the resulting is that the gain of loss of the chromosomes can be occurs, that is known as aneuploidy, right. And on the other hand, we can say the failure of cytokinin when the after the and during the telophase stages, right, the whole set of the chromosome can be increases. In that conditions, we can say that is known as polyploidy, generally which can be seen into the plant one, right. So these are the different ways aneuploidy and the polyploidy can be seen over there. Generally we can say this is a type of chromosomal disorder. They are responsible for the chromosomal disorder, because I have already told you that during the mutation, if there are some changes in the genes, then it is also can causes of the diseases, as well as when there is any segment can deleted or segment can be increases, that is called the, especially you can say that is the chromosomal disorders, right. It means that during the mutation, with the help of mutation, the genetic mutation are mainly causes for the genetic disorders, and chromosomal mutations which is causes for the chromosomal disorders or diseases. So we will talk about in later in coming topics. Thank you.